Analysis. The sensitivity analysis is carried out by the bank in order to evaluate capacity of the project to absorb shocks due to adverse movement in prices, some other adverse developments, and sustain financial viability. The analysis is carried out to capture the decline in revenue of the project, assuming adverse change in values of various parameters and factors. While preparing and appraising projects, certain assumptions are made in respect of certain critical oblique sensitive variables like selling price, cost price per unit of production, product mix, plant capacity utilization, sales, etc., which are assigned a value after estimating the range of variation of such variables. The value so assumed and taken into consideration for arriving at the profitability projections is the most likely value. Sensitivity analysis is a systematic approach to reduce the uncertainties caused by such assumptions made. The sensitivity analysis helps in arriving at profitability of the project wherein critical or sensitive elements are identified which are assigned different values and the values assigned are both optimistic and pessimistic, such as increasing or reducing the sale price oblique sales volume, increasing or reducing the cost of inputs, etc., and then the project viability is ascertained. The critical variables can then be thoroughly examined by generally selecting the pessimistic options so as to make possible improvements in the project and make it operational on the viable lines even in the adverse circumstances. The viability of a project is dependent on various factors which include selling price, cost of raw materials, cost of finance, availability of critical inputs, and dependence on market like buyer seller market, other key technical parameters, etc. While preparing the projected statements, the values of these parameters are arrived at on the basis of certain reasonable assumptions. While analyzing the projects, the values of the key parameters and the underlying assumptions are critically examined for financial viability of the project and are also subjected to sensitivity analysis, which captures the effect of change in values of key parameters on the profitability of the project. In the absence of any defined factors and its values for carrying out the sensitivity analysis, it has been decided that a common 5% sensitivity factor on sale price, cost price of major raw materials should be applied in appraisals of all the projects irrespective of the industry. However, 10% sensitivity factor may be applied in highly volatile industries by assessing the expected volatility in the sale price, cost price of major raw materials in future on case to case basis.